Muppets or villains? Who's going to win this pin unboxing at Hollywood Studios? Welcome back to Disney with Lizzie. I'm Stephanie.
I'm Jamie, the pin mule.
It's like the perfect time of night here. We're not hot. And these are all from Pink a la Mode, and they're all jumbo pins. I am literally so excited. Now this is one, I think the one box we have that's not a Muppets or villains.
Oh.
So in this one, I think I'll just open this one first.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan.
I'm not sure. I already have the Dalmatians. I traded for that one. So I don't know which one I want. I'll have to give you the box once I open it and you can tell me.
It is the magic hour here. Let's see if we can get any magical pins.
This one, it would be fun if we got Thumper because Lindsay likes Thumper. So, da-da-da-da. Oh, it looks like Dumbo. That's so pretty. I like this set because it's got all the beautiful flowers all around it. So that's a gorgeous one. Cool, cool.
Want me to open one now?
You can open one. Okay, Jamie started to open my box.
Sorry.
I had to stop him. Oh, and I want to get Ursula. Whoops. I want to get Ursula or the Evil Queen.
You're getting a head start.
Da-da-da-da. I cannot tell from the back. Oh, of course. This is actually the one I wanted the least. It's Cruella. This pin is huge. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Wow.
It's really a lot of neon colors,
That is enormous.
and maybe I can trade for Ursula or Evil Queen, but I think we have another box of these, so maybe I'll get her that. Okay,
Well,
what are you opening?
I got a giant box.
Oh, are you opening the exact same thing?
Yeah.
Okay, what did we get? What did we get?
I don't know. I think it's different though.
Oh my, is that the Evil Queen? Yes, I think it is. Oh my gosh, you got the Evil Queen. Oh, look at it.
The evil one.
It's so beautiful. I'm so excited.
That's pretty
She's
cool.
got the apples, the potion. I love it because she's got a bunch of apples, but then she has the bad apple right there. Her face though, it is very evil in this pin. She does not look pretty at all. She looks fed up is what she looks. Okay, so it's my turn.
Yep.
I want Yzma. I want Yzma even more than the Evil Queen because the Evil Queen is in so many pins, Yzma's not. So, well, these boxes are not easy.
I know. I'm trying to get a head start here. So. Well, now you've done it.
I wonder what that means. We're here all the time. I don't even know what that means.
I don't know.
It's 8:36 is what it means.
Yeah,
Okay, from the back I can't tell. So, da-da-da. Is that Scar? I think it's Scar.
Looks like Scar.
Okay, that is not what I wanted, but do you guys see the beautiful, I don't know if it's stained glass, it looks like it is. That's really pretty, so I do think that Willie will be happy with this one. Oh, it's a beautiful pin. I love it.
Which one did you do? The little one? This one?
Nope, that's a different one.
I'm doing this one. It's a different one.
We have a lot of villains, so it's kind of really
Ooh.
fun.
White bag.
Okay, so what did we want? Oh, we want an Evil Queen or Ursula. Those are the two I really want. Ooh, but
I want the mystery.
there's a mystery.
I don't know what it is. I don't even know if it's right side up.
It's probably the dragon. They always make Maleficent
Ready?
Dragon do the mystery. Da-da-da. No, why did we get Cruella again? What's going on, you guys? Oh,
Yeah.
That's interesting though. I actually kind of like this Cruella. That's pretty. So the reason why I don't want Cruella is because I cannot handle a villain that is mean to dogs. Like that is where I draw the line. I'll have a villain that gives a princess an evil potion. I'll have a villain that puts a princess to sleep. I will not have a villain that is mean to dogs. And I think we all agree. Okay, this Muppet one. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, Muppets. Let's go. Ooh, I want the Swedish Chef or the mystery.
I would love the Swedish Chef.
Miss Piggy's cool.
Actually, okay, so
Beaker's cool.
the Swedish Chef. Oh my gosh, these boxes. Miss Piggy.
Kermit's cool.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
You broke it.
Looks like the bag was open. That's happened to me a couple of times. Ooh. What's the guy? Is this?
Oh, it's Dr. Bunsen Honeydew.
I always want to call him Beaker because whenever I think of science, I think of Beaker.
The other one is Beaker.
Okay, so this is pretty. I've actually had this one before I traded for it, and then I traded it away, so it came back to me. Cool. Awesome.
All right, same box for me.
Miss Piggy, Miss Piggy. Or I think that Rizzo is the mystery because I've seen it online. That would be kind of fun.
It would be
What is
awesome
it?
if it was
Just
Rizzo.
hope it not to be Dr. Honeydew.
I don't know.
So-
It's whatever this is.
Oh, Oh my gosh, you guys.
Dude, I don't want them again.
But these are really nice sized. You guys can see that. Really, really nice.
Well, they'll trade.
That's okay. We're going to pin events. They'll trade. Okay, I've got this one. Now, Jamie got Cruella. What are we going to get? I still want the Evil Queen. I'm just having the hardest time with these boxes. Good job, Pingo and Mode. You're really keeping your boxes closed. Is that the one you're going to open next?
Yeah, I can't wait. It's fun because it has a chaser.
Even though it's summer here, you know, it was not very hot today, so that was a nice thing. Da-da-da-da. Yes. I had a premonition when I saw the back of it because I saw that's probably her crown. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm going to have to show you at the end all of my Evil Queens. We brought a pinfolio to show you guys today, but then we realized we needed height on the table, so we've got the camera sitting on the pinfolios. Now I got that Evil Queen, and where's my big Evil Queen? Did I lose her already? There she is. Okay.
That was a close one.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so I'm doing this one.
Okay.
And so I got the bag out here. I want the chaser. I always want the chaser.
If you guys enjoy videos like this, please subscribe. It really helps our channel.
Oh, I looked at her.
I did too.
Okay.
I might be happy.
She might be happy. Da-da-da-da.
Oh my gosh, yay! Whenever he opens it and I just want to see it so bad, I'm sitting here like a little kid on Christmas morning. Show me, show me, show me. Will you stop?
Pretty cool. I thought it was see-through, but it's not.
Okay, so it is like stained glass. It's more like a glossy enamel over a really pretty back. That's the same as Scar. Oh, you guys, I'm so glad I got Yzma. She's just not made in tons of pins. They are making her more now. But to get her makes me so glad.
She's getting her due.
She's getting her due now. I have my pin board of Yzma is really coming along.
Are you done? You got one
No,
more?
I think I have one more.
Okay. I
Our
got two
table
more.
is so full of boxes, it's kind of hilarious.
Which ones?
You
Okay.
have two more?
Yeah, I got two more.
Oh, okay. Then you should go again. I guess I'm getting
Sure.
I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm so excited.
I'm doing another villain here. It's the same box, I think,
Oh,
right?
it is, yeah.
Okay.
I must have gotten 4 of those boxes because I got one too.
Oh, I don't have to rip the bag because there's a nice little Ziploc seal. And
True.
I got,
Okay,
all
what is it?
It says 2 pin backs.
What's all we already got? Oh, I would love to get Maleficent. Oh no, I still haven't gotten Evil Queen.
I
Evil
want the
Queen,
chaser.
Evil Queen. Is it Ursula?
It's Ursula.
Yay!
I thought you wanted the other ones.
Well, I forgot Ursula was there. Okay, so it's getting dark, and I'm getting confused because I have so many different villains mystery boxes. This one is really pretty. I love the shell on the bottom there and the trident. Those are really, really nice.
Cool.
What's the word I'm looking for?
Obese.
That wasn't it, but she is.
Okay.
So we tried a kid's salad today over at Backlot Express, and he really liked it.
It's good.
It was interesting to me because for a kid's salad, it had really spicy dressing. There you go, there's that. And we got 2 sides, French fries, and they give you a Danimals yogurt smoothie, so we feel healthy.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You do the Muppets and
I
I'm
gotta
gonna do
do.
the last
Okay.
villain.
You're gonna. Okay. So again, here is the Muppets. I do not want Dr. Bunsen Honeydew.
Oh, please no, I forgot.
I'll take anybody but.
2 is enough.
Anybody but.
I can wear him as earrings.
Okay.
If I can tell the shape.
It's not
Oh,
him.
it's not him. Good.
It's not him.
It's not him. Okay,
so
ready?
it's somebody else.
Da-da-da.
Good. Oh.
Oh my gosh! Is that the chaser? Is that Rizzo? No,
No,
that's
it's
Gonzo.
Gonzo.
So, okay.
I think he's wearing his
I'm
Gonzo
getting
the Great.
confused. Yeah, Gonzo. He's not the chaser.
Gonzo
Oh, I got
the
super
Great.
excited for a second. I was like,
like
well,
Gonzo.
you know, that made up for 2 beakers, but see, I'm calling him Beaker again. 2 Dr. Honeydews.
If we had got an animal, would you have called him Monster again?
That's his name.
Actually, has me calling him Monster now.
Thank you. Oh, I cannot tell from the back. I'm going to guess that it's some type of Maleficent. Oh my gosh, that's another Yzma. Yes.
Wow.
Okay, but that was upside down.
Might be tradable.
These are going to trade so well. Oh, I love it. This is a great unboxing. Which one was your favorite?
My favorite? Oh my goodness.
There's so many. That's a really good one.
Yeah.
And then that's a really good one.
Yeah.
But I really like the big one because I just like the size.
These are enormous.
They're huge.
I'm going to give some love to Cruella.
No.
Crazy star lady, as I like to call her.
Oh my goodness. She's the one that's mean to dogs.
Oh, that's right.
You do not like her.
I guess I don't like her. So
We have 2 puppies,
I
Muffin
will
and Charming. They would be very upset with you
choose
right
a
now.
different pin. I'll take Dr. Bunsen Honeydew just because we have 2 of them.
All right.
I don't know.
Well, as always, thanks for joining us. Remember that life is a treasure, so be a blessing along the way.
God bless y'all.
And we'll see you next time.
Blooper reel.
Thanks, Charlie.